What's up, everybody? Steve here. Look, investing in vacation rental properties it's a cool thing. It's kind of sexy at the end of the day. I mean, who wouldn't want a property that they're making money from and they're actually going to be able to use and go on vacation and know that it's their own property, and they could have their separate section of the property all locked up, or maybe an owner's closet locked up with all their supplies and materials, and use whenever they want, and block out certain dates whenever they want, or provide certain family members or friends with the property, or even clients if you're in business for yourself. It is a cool investment property. But as a real estate broker here in South Florida, I can tell you, in my experience, there's pretty much three types of vacation rental Airbnb investors that are buying vacation rental properties. Now, if you guys are at all interested in buying a vacation rental investment property, then you might want to subscribe to this channel, because we do have a lot of videos that'll probably help you guys out and even increase revenue if you guys currently own vacation rental properties in your current portfolio. With that said, again, I believe that there's about three types of real estate investors for vacation rental properties, and I'm going to go through these for the main reason, so when you guys are meeting with your real estate agent, you can kind of be efficient with your time and be efficient with their time as well, because this will really kind of segue into the property price point and even community type that you guys are trying to invest in. So the first investor is the person that's strictly looking to make money on the vacation rental property. They don't really have any intention on using the property. They strictly want that property as a cash cow to make them money. Now, in my experience, in many cases, these properties, they're a little bit more difficult to find. You got to get the right deal on these properties, because it's not like buying an apartment complex where you're going to get a 10% cap rate or whatever the case is. Now, you can get good cap rates on some of these vacation rental properties depending on location. But again, you're going to want to make sure that the income and expenses in all three of these categories are analyzed to a T. So the first investor, again, this is the person that has no intention of really using the property, but they do want a vacation rental property or properties part of their portfolio, and they're looking at strictly the income and expenses. So if you are that investor, then you're going to want to really talk to your real estate agent who's representing you on the buy side to talk about really what you're looking for a return on investment. The second type of investor for vacation rental properties is the person that is looking to use the property, but they also want to make money on the property. So this person is usually the person that's like, Steve, I want to use it maybe in the off season when it's not peak season, where, like, for example, in Southwest Florida, our peak season is January, February, March. That's where your per night rates are the highest. That's where you're going to make the most amount of money. So this investor wouldn't dare to actually book in the January, February, March, because they know if they book a week out of that segment during that first quarter, they know if they book, they're going to lose money out of their pocket. So they want to use the property still, but they're willing to utilize the property in the off season, in the slow months, in the months where the price per night is a lot lower. And the third investor is looking to use the property, and they just want the income from it just to offset their expenses. They intend to probably use the property more than the average investor. Maybe they want to use the property throughout the year, maybe during a certain season of the year, but they just want to make a little bit of money to maybe cover the taxes and HOA fees, or the taxes and insurance, and maybe a little bit of the mortgage. So this person is going to utilize the property more frequently than the average investor. Now, this person, odds are they're going to be able to open up to a larger pool of properties. Now, and I talked about this in other videos. So one video is like, you have to watch out for certain rental restrictions. So if you're the one or two investor, you probably don't want rental restrictions of, say, 30 days or more. So you can't necessarily rent it for less than 30-day period. Now, this investor is probably okay with that, and if they are okay with that, then you're going to have a lot more inventory to choose from, and you're going to have a lot more communities to choose from. Anyway, I want to put this video out because we do have a lot of people coming into our office and a lot of inquiries, and it's really good to have this kind of perspective on things so you know what to anticipate, what to expect when you guys are walking in to any vacation rental area and meeting with real estate agents and going on your preview, on your tours, to really get a good grasp and to educate that agent as to what you and your family and your goals are. And if you guys do like videos on vacation rental investing, go ahead and subscribe because I have more videos coming at you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot.